What's going on, guys? So today I got this TPMS sensor delete from a guy called Ninth Genie or Jenny, or he's on Instagram. I'll put it in the link below. But essentially what it does is it allows me to disable TPMS while still keeping all my other systems on, like ABS and power steering, some other stuff. But essentially right now I have sensors in these wheels, but I have to reprogram them, and on my Enkis I don't have sensors at all. So what this is going to allow me to do is it's going to trick the ECU into thinking that I have sensors in all the wheels, and it'll allow me to turn off traction control, because when the light is on, you can't turn this off. It doesn't matter what you do, it just will not allow you to do anything. So what we're going to do is essentially there's a little gray box that sits here behind this panel. You take the old circuit board out, unplug it from this little connection up top, put that one in, plug it in, throw it in, button everything up, and you should be good. So I'm going to attempt to knock this out real quick. Shouldn't take too long. Alright, so that just pops right out, and the box that we're looking for is right up there, right there, and the wire connection is, I think, right towards the back there. So what we'll do is try to put a flashlight in here so I can at least see what I'm doing. Let's see. See if I can unplug it. Yep. All right. That's out of the way. And then I should be able to just slide this little gray box out. I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, it's out. See the old plug, and you just take these out on the side, just undo it, pull the old circuit board out, put the new one in, and plug everything back in. Should just plug in. It slides into place up there. You can't really see it right now. It's kind of hard to do this with only two hands. Alright, so I got the box open. You can see there's the other circuit board. It looks very similar to this. It's just missing a few things. Put this down real quick. Old sensor, new sensor. And this pretty much just slides back into place, just like the old one. Make sure it kind of lines up with this opening right here. Close it up, bam, looking good. Now we can just go throw it back in the car, put the plug in, and I should be able to turn off the traction control. Okay, box is back up there. The wire is plugged in to the connector back there. So we will put this panel back on. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. We're gonna get in the car. Hopefully everything worked like it was supposed to. Cool, look, no lights, no stupid warning sign that says no TPMS sensors detected. Let's see. Bam, look at that. Turn it off and turn it on. Sick. And to think I was about to spend $120, $150 on OEM sensors for the second set of wheels, and I spent $95 on this thing. So big thanks to Ninth Gen. I'm gonna say it's Genie. Ninth Genie. Whatever. Genie. Big thanks to you. I'm glad you came out with this, because this is gonna be a lifesaver on track. Currently only makes them for 2012, 2013 SIs. I'm pretty sure he's working on something for the 14 and 15, but super easy install. I think this maybe took less than 5 minutes. Definitely recommend this.